they get respect. You see me in this cold house. You are past, you can't even greet me. Is that good? Look at where you be. Look at your hair. Look at everything.
Landlady. Good afternoon, ma.
How are you?
Ma, I'm fine, the landlady.
Hey guys, it's still your girl Angel Choiris. Oh, I see my hair. Are you feeling my hair? Like, do you know how much I bet this hair? 3.5 million naira. I bet this hair where you see so. Like, hey, anybody they are father as on. Hey, bye I am. Hey, warm. I look sexy this morning. I look so sweet. I look so. Yeah, I know that. Ooh. Ah, you like my hair? Thank you so much. Wait, who be this rat? Hello. Come, please, I'm coming. Hello, come back here. Come back here. Me? No, me. Go back here, Joe. They ask me. No, na person they are back. Hey, wait, oh. So you get the mind. You just pass this place like that without even saying good morning, ma, to me. Do you know who I am? Do you know? Okay, just in case you don't know me. They laugh. We dey follow this one laugh. Just in case you don't know me, I'm the chief tenant of this house. I am the chief. So if you want to pass, you have to kneel down and greet me. Who you be, self? Oh, I think you be all those ashewo, all those hookup girl. Now one of these guys call you back. You call the phone for me. Right, because you get nyash.
My God.
Hey, look at her. All these hookup girl, I know they get respect. You see me in this cold pouch. You are past, you can't even greet me. Is that good? Look at where you be. Look at your hair. Look at everything.
Landlady. Good afternoon, ma.
How are you?
Ma, I'm fine, the landlady. Shut up. What is this your check or Maka is telling you? Don't you know her?
Who is she? What?
This is a landlady.
This landlady. This one will be hookup girls. You think I don't know her? She be hookup girl now.
What is a landlady hookup girl?
Ketika, who is this lady?
This is that Ochako market that I have been complaining since that she's disturbing all the whole tenant. This is the landlady that her parents have died. She's the one that inherited all this compound.
Hope she's not the one that is paying me 2 years rent.
She's the one, and she's got no problem. The same thing she's doing to you now, she have done it to every other tenant here. You see this your mouth?
Mr. Ketka,
Ma?
I don't want to see this girl in this compound.
No, madam,
in fact, let me just be merciful.
Shut up.
1 week. 1 week.
Madam, no vex.
I don't see her yet.
No
Do you understand me?
Choma.
Madam, no.
Shut up. Shut up. Right now, I'm the one in charge. I'm the chief and the able caretaker of this.
Madam, you dey speak for my body, daddy. They speak for my body. You dey speak for my body.
This is your mouth.
Why you not tell me say landlord dey she dey come? Why you not tell me now?
Madam, by this time next week, you will be evicted from this wonderful abode.
Landlord,
That one no go work. Landlady, I'm coming. See your mouth.
God, this year good. My bad mom later put me in trouble.